Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached the final bout of the night. The eighth and final bout of the night from the men's middleweight category under 75 kilograms is upon us. Your judges for this fight, Judge number 1, Ms. Prabhutika Lokuyantehige. Judge number 2, Mr. Kapila Sugadadasa. Judge number 3, Mr. T.S. Veerasena. Judge number 4, Mrs. Chinta Veerasinghe. And Judge number 5, Mr. Mahesh Sumanavira. Your referee for this fight, Mr. Nishanta Dharmadasa. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner with his coach, one-star International Boxing Association, Dhanush, officially weighing in at 75 kilograms, representing the Sri Lanka Army, a relentless force in the ring with gold medals and best boxer awards to his name. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Shamil!
Ladies and gentlemen, the last fight is in the men's middleweight division.
Credentials include gold and best boxer at the National Boxing Championship 23, gold at the Clifford Cup Boxing Championship 23, silver at the Leighton Cup Boxing Championship 23, silver at the Clifford Cup Boxing Championship 2016, gold and best boxer at the Novices Boxing Championship 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, representing the Sri Lanka Army, fighting out of the red corner, Shamil! And his opponent for the night, fighting out of the blue corner, with his coach, one-star International Boxing Association, Fernando, officially weighing in at 75 kilograms, representing the Sri Lanka Navy, a skilled boxer with an impressive track record in both national and international competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Indica! His boxing credentials include gold at the Leighton Cup Boxing Tournament 2014, gold at the Defence Services Boxing Championship 2016, gold at the Leighton Cup Boxing Tournament 2016, gold at the National Sports Festival, gold at the National Boxing Championship 2019, gold at the Leighton Boxing Championship 22, gold at the National Boxing Championship 22. Ladies and gentlemen, representing the Sri Lankan Navy, fighting out in the blue corner, make some noise for Indica!
Keep your heads up. Open glove. Listen to my command. Good luck.
Now the officials are ready. The fighters are in their corner and they are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to war!
The eighth and final bout of the Lanka Fighting League. Shamil versus Indica. Sri Lanka Army versus Sri Lanka Navy.
I think the co-main event was something to sort of get you going. This is the main event of the evening. So.
And that fight leading up to this fight, this is in the men's middleweight division. So you can expect some heavy shots from both these guys. I don't even know if the fight will go to the distance. Like, there's a very big chance that it could finish in the first, second, or third round. I am not sure.
I guess we'll find out shortly.
Both these guys have impressive accomplishments from past competitions.
They begin. Shamil is a southpaw and lunges right in and gets caught by Indika.
Opposing stance, huh?
As he come in, opposing stances. Shamil trying to
Ooh,
lead
nice
with
head
the hook
movement there by.
and Indika
Indika.
made it nice. Shamil cracks Indika as he moves back and Indika responds in kind.
A referee giving a warning to Indika there.
Explosive start to this first round.
Explosive.
And Indika,
And if that overhand right had left had landed, that would have been the finish of that end of this fight. But luckily, Indika has some great head movement. Ooh,
Indika got caught to the body as he was
Yeah.
trying to evade.
you know, Shamil was very smart.
Shamil
He
is-
knew his opponent was going to duck behind, and he went for the body.
Shamil is using that lead hand to set up a rhythm and then break it
Exactly.
with his backhand, which is classic approach used by boxers. And he catches Indika,
A good moment for Indika.
who responded as well. So clean exchange there.
Both fighters have their guards down, which is.
Indika trying to switch up his attack and then
How about the
pull
head
his
movement of
head
Indika,
back
man?
just in time.
Beautiful work there by
Immaculate timing
Indika.
from Indika. And he comes in and lunges and
Oh.
goes to the ground, but the judge will rule that a slip and not a knockdown.
Yeah.
Chamila cautioned not to push his fighter down. Indika
Oh,
tried
both
to
the fighters targeted there for like a
Yes,
uppercut, but it didn't
yes.
land.
both narrowly missing there.
Yeah.
on the break. Chamila trying to lunge in with his 1-2 and has Indika against the ropes. And
Indika is
just
very
lost
good at not getting hit in those, you know, when Shamil is trying to advance, he's coming in with all these crazy shots. But Indika is really good at, you know, not getting hit there. What do you think about his head movement?
Indika's
Oh,
head movement is crisp, it's for sure. And he's always trying to find his counters on his head movement, which is good quality in a boxer for sure.
you know, he has participated at the Eindhoven International Boxing Tournament in Netherlands in
Slipped that attack
2017.
really well from Chamila and now has Chamila against the ropes for the first time. And
It
Chamila
was-
also returns in kind.
Yeah, it was Indika who was back up against the ropes a few seconds ago in this round.
Chamila is,
Ooh, beautiful work there by Shamil. I believe he landed those 1-2s.
the first few straights missed, but the last few found their home. And Chamila displaying some excellent movement of its own as he
Yes, very-
moves away pivots away from the rope.
Corner.
But now he's stuck back again in the rope. So
Yeah,
Indika
good work
is-
there. If he had stayed there, it would have been very problematic for him.
Yeah, Indika seems content to have the middle of the ring and
Yeah.
not force his fight against the ring, and they both exchange yet again. Chamila sort of taunting his opponent to come in, and they're exchanging some. gestures
Go!
there.
Nice right hand there, landed clean by Indika.
The southpaw trying to pivot away as he hooks. It's a classic attack. And on the break, Chamila catches
Right on the last second, Chamil landed a nice left hook. And
another
my
explosive
God.
bout, so main event worthy.
This is amazing. This is perfect for the last and final bout. You know, I have to say, both these guys, their coaches are amazing. Both their coaches have 1 star from the International Boxing Association. You know, Danush Kumara coaching Chamil, representing the Sri Lanka Army, and Coach Fernando, who also has a 1 star from the International Boxing Association. Punches like the way Chamil is doing now, but how do you think, you know, this is different from the previous fights?
I think in terms of matchups, Indika is certainly more reliant on his head movement as opposed to Chamila, who has a high guard.
Yeah.
And Indika engages the clinch as he tries to close the distance. And is asked to keep his head up.
Referee instructing Indika there.
And clever little feint there from Indika as he tried to find his way.
Chamil is doing a nice job with that lead right hand. You know, he's trying to gauge his distance and
Disrupt
find
the
his
timing and nearly paid off for him, but Indika, the wiser, was able to catch him and time him coming in.
That was beautiful
And,
work by Indika. And, Indika got-
launches an attack and
Indika got
goes
caught
under.
there, but he's a dog, man. My God, the way he's fighting, he takes a lot of risks, and so far it's working out for him, I feel like.
For sure. Both of the approaches are paying off for each other.
Nice advancements there by Indika.
Indika pivots away on his lead foot
No.
and keeps his hands down and is sort of trying to bait Chamila to come in and trying to counter. Let's see if Chamila.
Indika has won gold from 2016 to 17 in many tournaments, and his past experiences and past accomplishments are truly showing colors tonight.
And
Referee giving
had his
A
arm
warning.
over his opponent, which
Yep.
is not permissible. And Indika trying to
Chamil cleverly moving away from danger there.
find a lead hand followed by a hook.
Ooh,
And Indika is caught and he returns a hook of his own. Chamila forced against the ropes by Indika's incoming pressure.
Indika's pressuring his opponent, I feel like, at this stage of this round. Referee-
Chamila with his head down, it's the referee once
What
yet
a-
again.
Ooh,
What you see,
guard down! Oh my
Continuous
God! Oh my God!
taunting from
You know,
Indika.
Indika had his guard down, and he paid dearly for it.
As you can see, all these taunts, they are gambles at the end of the day.
That-
Sometimes they pay off and you look great, and
That-
sometimes you get clipped. As
That
you
was
just
a
saw.
that was a risk that didn't pay off that well, and he got a standing 8 count there.
And
Big.
Indika trying to respond heavily to that knockdown.
Amazing work by Indika. This is huge. I beg pardon. Amazing work for Chamil, and this is huge for Chamil. You know, to get that standing count. And
It's important that Chamila capitalizes on this somewhat disoriented
Yes.
Indika. You don't see much movement now. A bit more flat-footed.
and it's a mental thing, Nishad, I would say. You know, he got him. Ow!
And yet again,
He clipped him with that jab.
Indika's caught yet again and seems to have some damage on his nose. Some
This
visible
is
damage.
this is
Swelling.
Chamil's time. He needs to go in for the kill right now.
Indika trying his best to rescue this round, but unless he finds a clean opening here, it might just.
Which he
be
does not,
here,
and he just lifts his opponent up.
which you don't get points for in boxing. So unfortunately for Indika, that
And the
round seems
referee-
to have just about escaped him. So they are right
Indika
at the end of this
obliging
round
to the
and,
instructions of referee.
Indika
The end
perhaps
of the
unable
second
to
round.
save that round.
Huge round there.
Oh, Chamila, yes.
Amazing
Chamila,
round for Chamila.
Yes.
You know, that was very. It was very unnecessary for Indika to do that. To put his guard down and completely taunt his opponent. And Chamil, you can't do that against a dangerous opponent like Chamil. He will catch you, and that's what he did. Wow.
It's somewhat usual for fighters with low hand styles to find ways to like sort of bait their opponents to attack. And unfortunately, Chamil didn't take the bait. He didn't come in lunging. He was very calculated and timed his opponent really well.
I have to thank both these guys because those are the kind of moments that boxing fans are, you know, looking forward to in an event like this.
You want a show, and
Yes.
Indika certainly tried his best to give them a show, and unfortunately got
He got caught.
the short end of the stick, as they say.
Third
And
and
we now come in with the third and final round. Indika perhaps trying to avenge that round to get some.
Indika needs to do something significant in this round because that was a huge round for Chamil.
Chamil coming in
Ooh.
with
Straight 1-2s, landed a couple of them there.
some straight punches there. And Indika trying to come back with offense of his own. And the exchange in a flurry.
Crazy.
Indika continues to keep his hand down and tries to
And now he has a high guard.
time. Yeah, he's also
He
has an
adjusts.
adaptive guard.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
As he gets closer to his opponent, he raises it and displays some more showmanship there that the crowd responds to.
But you know, one thing I noticed, Chamil's overhand right, he needs to stop doing that. See, Indika keeps on ducking over it. You can't seem to catch Indika with that right
Indika
hand.
does some great damage on the breakaway there while they engage.
Yeah.
So that uppercut found its home, and Chamila seems a little bit disoriented, or it might just be a ploy to get.
I think that's his rhythm, man. I think.
To get-
Oh, he gets caught again.
He got caught yet again from.
It was a short
Indika.
left-right hook, I believe, from Indika,
Yes.
just at the breakaway. See again with that overhand right, it's not landing on Indika. Indika seems to be ducking it down.
The hand speed of Chamila seems to have diminished somewhat, as you would expect, towards the latter part of the round, and Indika seems to have the timing of it down a lot better than he did in the previous round.
These are the final seconds of the final round of the final match of the night. These guys have to put it all in the line right now. Ooh!
And Indika catches
Huge 2 uppercuts by Indika.
Chamila really well and
Oh,
sort of pushed down by.
you know, I have to say, I have to appreciate the showmanship by Indika. This guy is born for a matchup like this, man.
He is,
Crazy.
doing everything in his power to make it an entertaining affair for the audience, and that must be appreciated. Indika with his hands down and gets caught by the incoming
Straight 1-2s by
1-2
Chamil.
of Chamil. Indika trying to walk down his opponent and has Chamil against the ropes.
Aslam, what can you tell me about this final round?
It's a hard-hitting round. Both boxers look exhausted, but they're eager to get in that haymaker. Not connecting, but very, very interesting.
Very interesting.
And Chamil is now on the back foot more so than Indika was towards the latter part of the previous round. So
It's Indika who's pressuring at this point of the round, I feel like.
he's the man moving forward.
Yeah. Wow,
They tie up.
man, this is an epic bout, man. These guys.
What a fight we see, ladies and gentlemen. And Indika clipped Chamil yet again. Chamil seems to be somewhat wobbly legs. As is Indika, they've both taken significant damage.
Man, in the past 10 seconds,
Indika tries a
Chamil took,
leaping uppercut there.
Chamil took a massive amount of punishment at the end of the round. What a fight.
What a fight we have just
What
witnessed,
a
ladies and gentlemen.
fight. These types of fights are what boxing fans are always looking forward to, because this shows the essence of what boxing is. Boxing in Sri Lanka at the highest level, ladies and gentlemen. You know, this is about at the men's middleweight division. And
To hit and not get hit, that is boxing, and these guys have done it at such a high level, and they made it look pretty as well for the audience. So huge props to both these fighters.
the judges are going to have a splendid time scoring this bout.
We had a
Aslam, what do you got for us?
This bout is very hard to predict. I like the boxing blue. It was very entertaining to watch. Quite unconventional. We'll have to wait and see what the judges have to offer here. I'm lost for words. But I did like the boxing blue with his superb performance, entertaining the audience here and giving us a wonderful final bout.
And now we go for the official decision.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, was that an intense 3 rounds or what? The judges have made their decision. Your winner by split decision, representing the Sri Lanka Army, fighting out of the red corner, Chamil!
I believe that knockdown in the second round contributed a lot to that very close split decision. But nevertheless, what a fight by both these gentlemen. Tonight they proved that elite level Sri Lankan boxing is very common in the sport of boxing as a whole, if you take a look at it.
Certainly. And they both represented their sport really well today, and excellent display of both skill and will from both fighters and all bouts really.
Amazing work there by both these guys. And what a way
All
to
right,
end a
next
captivating
up we
night.
have the presentation ceremony, for which I would like to invite retired Lieutenant Commander Chandralal Nanayakara, co-founder LFL Lanka Fight League, to make his way to the ring to present the checks to the winner and the runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, your winner by split decision, representing the Sri Lanka Army, fighting out of the red corner, Chamil! All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The victor from the red corner, Chamil. Next up, we have the runner-up from the blue corner, representing the Sri Lanka Navy. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Indika.